Here's Luke saying hi again. He's got his rock t-shirt on. He's ready to rock. Say hi. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Come on, stand up. He's standing up. Let's see if we can get a scan of the full body. Yep, we're all... There he is. Pants are pulled up a little too high, but he's having fun. Right? You gonna talk? Say something. Say something into the camera. Alright, we're done.